Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Nihal's Lab Notes. In this video, I'm going to share with you a Tableau portfolio project. So let's get started. Here's Tableau Public. As you see in this sidebar, we have many options to connect our dataset with Tableau. So we can use Microsoft Excel, text file, a JSON file, or other option. I'm going to use Microsoft Excel. I've already downloaded my datasets from Kaggle. The link is in the description below. It's a Superstore dataset. Tableau Public is similar to the pivot table in Excel, so the first user interface is the worksheets. Let's create a pivot table in Excel. So here I'm going to create a pivot table. So in this pivot table we have filters, columns, and lines. It's the same in the Tableau Public. We have also columns, rows, and filters. As you see here, there are approximately 22 columns in the order sheets. The same columns are listed here in the data pane of Tableau Public, so Tableau has divided the columns into two sections. You can see a thin line separating these two sections. The section below is known as the measure section, and all the columns or the fields in it are known as measures. And all in this section are known as dimensions, can be values, tags, or alphanumerical, geographical, date and time, mark section or mark shelf helps customize your visuals by adding colors, increasing size, or adding text. You can see the menu bar here at the top with data worksheet, dashboard, story, and many more. These options help you control the visualization aspects. And below the menu bar, you have a toolbar here. This toolbar, which is the frequently used options like redo, undo, save, duplicate, clear, or add a new data source, and more. Here you have the taskbar, which displays the numerical aspects of the visuals. You can click on here on the respective icon to create multiple sheets, dashboards, or stories. On the right-hand side top, you have the Show Me option, which automatically creates the selected visualization. There is also a pane called Analytics, presents next to the data pane. This helps to apply the analytical functions like reference line, cost line, average line, and any forecast-related topics to the data. So now let's prepare our data sets. To do this, let's use data preparation. So data preparation is the process of preparing data for visualization. Tableau offers several tools that help users prepare their data for analysis as joins, relationships, data blending, union, pivots, data interpreter, aggregations, and splits. So in this video, I'm going to use Data Interpreter. It handles purification and transformation of data. It can identify file names, nodes, footers, empty cells, and bypass them to identify the actual fields and values. I've already do this, so just go to data source. It doesn't appear here, but it looks like this. So just click on the data interpreter function to remove extraneous information. The first chart that we are going to look at is the bar charts. So bar charts is the most frequently used chart type. It is used to compare categorical data corresponding to a numerical value. Here we will see the distribution of cells done by different subcategories by creating a simple bar chart. So first, let's pick up the subcategory to the rows and pick up cells, put it in the columns. And you can see a simple bar chart is created here. You can also sort it by ascending or descending, or you can just click here to sort it. So you can click here, entire view. You can see the chart fills the screen. You can change the color by clicking in the color here and change it. To add labels, go and pick up cells, drag and drop it onto the labels section, and it's added. We can also add category to color, and this is the difference. So I'm going to sort it by descending. So you can see that's phones, machines, accessories, copiers are all in the technology category. And storage, vendors, appliance, paper, supplies, arts, developers, labels, fitness are in office supplies category. And for furnishings, bookcases, tables, and chairs are in furniture category. Now, if you want to keep just the top 3 cells of subcategories, you just go and select this, and this, and this, and click to keep only. And here's the results. So to go back, you can just drag and drop it here, and it's done. So now we can filter this with another way. You can just go in subcategory and show filter, click into show filter. It's added to filters, then click here and you see edit filter. So you click here, you see all the list of subcategories. I just want to keep accessories, appliance, arts, vendors, and remove all of this. Remove all of this. Supplies, storage, paper, and tables. Apply, and here's the results. Another way for using filters, and click to OK to keep it. If you want to just select the top 3 cells of subcategories, just go here, edit filter, go to top, select by files, and choose the 3 top. Apply, and OK. So as you see, here's the result. The top 3 cells of subcategories is phones, vendors, and machines. But now let's go back and let's rename this sheet by bar charts and create new sheet here. Now let's create a stacked bar chart. It's an extended version of a bar chart. In stacked bar chart, each category is divided into subcategories for detailed analysis. We will see distribution of cells by subcategories. Furthermore, each subcategory will be divided by region. So to do this, I'm going to drag and drop this to columns and drag and drop cells into rows. So this is called bar column charts. To convert this to a stacked column chart, I'm just go to region drag and drop it into color. And here's our stacked column charts. To convert this to a stacked bar charts, we just go here and click here. This will convert a column chart to a stacked chart. Now let's rename this sheet with stacked bar charts and go to a new sheet and create a P chart. Now to create a P chart, just select cells into rows and subcategories into columns. Go to show me and select P chart. So here's P charts for best view, select entire view, and here's our P charts. If you go here, you can see that subcategories of phones has this number of cells. Now let's create a baked bubble chart. So let's create a new sheet. Rename it by bubbles charts. So to create a baked bubble chart, I need the quantity as rows and subcategory for columns, and go to show me and select baked bubbles. As you see, baked bubble charts are visualizations where the size and optionally the color of the bubbles are used to visualize the data. The positioning of the bubbles is not significant, but is optimized for compactness. Now let's create a dual combination chart. So to create it, we need one date, 0 or more dimensions, and 2 measures. So we go and select, drag and drop this into columns, and drag and drop profits into rows, also cells into rows, and go into show me and select the dual combination. And here's the results. As you see, we have an axis of profits and another axis of cells. Dual axis combination charts, as you see, are combo charts, are an effective chart type for showing related information while saving estimates by combining views. As you see here, we have two. We have a line chart and a bar chart. Now let's create a dashboard. So to create a dashboard, just go here and click to a new dashboard. So we have object section, size section, sheet section. So in the object section, we have horizontal container, vertical container, text, extension, ask data, data story, image, blank, workflow, web page, navigation, download, add filters, instant discovery, and all this is in tiled section. So I'm going to choose horizontal container. Okay, go to size, click to automatic. Let's start with creating a dashboard. So select horizontal container here, create bar charts here, then stacked bar charts, then the P charts, then the baked bubble, and dual combination. Dual combination. I think it's gonna be okay here. Yeah. And here a dashboard. I'm going to show dashboard title to change it. So I don't know, I'm going to name it with projects or portfolio projects number 1 or Tableau portfolio projects. In the middle, select all, and okay. And here's Tableau portfolio projects, the title of our dashboards. We can also click here for presentation mode. And here's our first dashboard. Here's the Tableau portfolio projects number 1, which be helpful for you. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, and to see more content, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Nihal's Lab Notes. See you in the next videos, inshallah.